Hello and welcome to another episode here at Scriptcase by Jamie. And well, today we're going to be talking about, again, one of those features that we have available within Scriptcase. And it's a nice one. So if I just log in here to my Scriptcase environment, and then we can go ahead and access the project where I'm going to show you the diagram. So here, for instance, I have my samples project. Now, I know I should maybe zoom in now, but really, I think it's okay for the time being. You'll be fine. So up here in the menu, we have the option here to show diagram. And if I click on that, it will open a diagram window. And within this diagram window, it will show me the entire project. So I have gone ahead and already opened the window, because otherwise it opens up in the entire screen and maybe the zoom factor isn't very good and all of that. So in this case, we have a diagram of all of our applications as well as the linkages between them. So here, for instance, I have the form companies. And if I grab here the grid companies, we'll see that the grid company is linked to the form companies. And just like that, we can actually see the linkages that we have between our applications. Now, if we have more applications that are maybe related to many, then we'll see that as well. Just like here, we have our set grid or users list, as well as then here the edit user. Now this is more than likely two grid applications, and of course you can't really exactly click on there to get any more information or anything, but everything's nicely color coded so you can make out what applications they are. And then I would always definitely advise to move them around so that you can actually gain visibility of what is what, because otherwise, well, it could be maybe a little complicated, especially when you first open it and it's all organized the way it is. So at first, maybe it's not such a good idea, but as you progress within your platform, within your development, you will want to have an overview of which applications are maybe not being used or maybe are not linked to other applications. So if you develop your project, and in general, the majority of your applications will have a linkage between one or two others. If it's in code, you may not see it here, but if it's linked between the applications within the Scriptcase environment, as you can link applications, then you will see that here within the diagram. And the diagram will help you a great deal, as I said, for the organization of your project, so that you can see the linkages between your applications, and then you can also see which path they are maybe taking as well. And it has many other use cases too. So I hope this video is helpful to you within your Scriptcase development. And of course, if you'd like to learn more, be sure to check out the Scriptcase by Jamie website, or even maybe the membership, because there is a membership with a knowledge base where you can learn a great deal of information about the Scriptcase environment. So thank you very much for watching, and until the next video.